Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, on the dollar yen monthly, I still think this looks like a 1 2 and a big wave 3. I think this looks like a 4, and I believe we're in a wave 5, which I believe is going to go to the 61.8. But the 50% is also an area where this could potentially turn. So, let's keep an eye on both of those levels as it goes up. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this right here is the end of a wave 4, and I think this is a 1 2 3. And if this is a wave 3, we have a long ways to go to the upside to finish off this trend. Wave 3 is supposed to be at least as big as the wave 1. So I think we're going to go up to that 61.8, probably right around the 157.5 area to finish off what I believe to be a 1 2 3 4 5 of wave 5. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, ever since we ended this correction, which I think is a 2 and this is a 1, we have been making higher highs, higher lows, as you can see. Price is really struggling to get above that 150 area, but I do think there is a very good chance that it will break up because if, like I explained on the weekly, if it is a wave 3, then most likely we have a long ways to go to the upside. Taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame, I am definitely looking for longs, which I have been doing for quite some time now. 1 2 3 way pullbacks is what I'm looking for. 1 2 3 ways down, impulsive up. 1 2 3 ways down, impulsive up is exactly what I would be looking for in the future for more entries to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. I am definitely not really convinced that this uptrend is over. Like I said, I think that anything we see to the downside is just going to be a correction to the uptrend, which is why I'm going to continue to look for pullbacks primarily for long entries for the continuation of the bigger wave 3 trend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement. If this is the beginning of a correction, it's probably just a wave A. It's probably going to make a wave B and then probably go down again and make a wave C. It really could go down to any one of these fib levels, but if we see 3 waves down and positive up, especially if we get a break of structure and the continuation of the uptrend, then that would be exactly what I would be looking for the continuation of this uptrend. Like I said, until the higher time frames prove to me or give me some evidence that this trend is actually going down, which I definitely had not seen yet, then I for sure am going to look for continuations of the uptrend. I'm going to look for 3 wave pullbacks to go long for the continuation of this trend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.